Hello and welcome to another Craft Along with Cyfarthfa Castle video. My name is Christopher Parry and this is... Betsan Parry, yes. How old are you, Beth?
6.
Now you don't have to print this out to anything, and it's a nice easy task which brings together maths and history and a bit of local history mixed in. Because what it is we have got, and Betsan has lovingly put a love heart on this version, well done. We've got a worksheet that's all about ancient Egyptian mathematics with Mr. Harry Southey, who you can see in the corner here. Now, Harry Southey donated a massive Egyptian collection to the Museum of Cyfarthfa, and because of that we're always keen to highlight him and everything he brought back to Merthyr. And this sheet is basically him taking people through how the Egyptians did mathematics. So what Betsan is going to do is she is going to do a sum or two from each of the pages from the worksheet. The worksheet is 4 pages long. The first page will give you an introduction to Southey and the task at hand. It'll also translate the numbers that we are going to be using into hieroglyphic numbers. And once you scroll down on all the other 3 pages, you'll get a different set of sums and tasks to work out. So we are just going to go through them, and Betsan is going to try to work them out, and then when you are at home, you can try and do the same. Now you download this template. You download this template from cyfarthfa.com under the downloadable resources tab. Download it as a PDF, and like I say, what we are doing is we are editing the PDF using our tablet. But what you can do is you can just keep it on the screen on your phone, on your laptop, and use pen and paper, or you can edit like this. You don't need to print it out. To be honest, it'd be a bit of a waste if you did print it out to print the ink. There's no real need to print it out at all. On every page you'll see the top corner examples of how to work out the sums and the task ahead. Check those out, and you'll be referring back to page 1 lots to get the translations of those hieroglyphs, okay? So don't be worried if you're going back and forth loads, because page 1 is key, looking at what those numbers are. So Betsan, what is the first sum that we've got on our page?
2 plus 6.
2 plus 6, so write the answer in. I'm fairly certain you can do that, alright? 8. Perfect. Do you want to do another one then to show? So we'll do the sum next down. Now what is the sum next down?
So let's start it off with the 1 and the 3, which is simply 4. Then we have 9. So, just going to put that down for a second. And so we'll start with 9 and then go 1, 2, 3, 4.
Tell them the answer.
13.
13. So next page down, Betsy. Now this one is translating the symbols. So it gives you, to start off, it gives you the hieroglyphic symbols for the numbers, and what you have got to do is you have got to turn those into the numbers that we use and understand. And so there is an example in the top corner there, which gives you a poppy, which is 1,000, a swirly whirl, which is 100, 2 upside down U's, which are 10s, and then the 3 sticks, which is 3. So that translates as 1,223.
You said there was 1 swirly whirl. You said 100. You didn't say.
Oh, there are 2 swirly whirls. Yeah, sorry. So let's work out the first one here then, Beth. So the U's are, the upside down U's are
10.
10, and then you've got how many of them?
You got 3 10s and a 2, which is going to be easy. 32.
32.
This is how I did the answer.
That's how she did the answer. She did 10 times 3 plus 2. However you want to do it is fine by me. And the next one underneath, we'll try the next one underneath to give you a little bit of a challenge too. So 2 swirls, what are they?
They are 100.
So there's 2 of them though, so what would that make?
We got 2 100s, which makes 200. Then we got 10. So 210 we're on now. So then add 3, which would be 213.
213. Excellent work. Let me show it. So yeah, so 213 Betsan did. Excellent work, Betsan. You hit it out of the park. So you said you wanted to do the next one, did you?
Yeah.
Go on then, go for it. So you got the poppy, which is
1,000.
1,000. And then you got 3 upside down U's. And they are how many?
10. 100.
1,000.
1,030, I think.
Perfect, yeah. And then what's left then?
So we got a 6 left.
So what would that be then? 1,030.
1,036, I think.
And you want to write that down? So it'd be 1, 0,
0.
and then the 3 and quick. Now we won't do any more because we'll be cheating and we'll be giving them the answer. So go to the last sheet. And the last sheet is probably the hardest one really. This is translating our numbers into hieroglyphic symbols. So there's an example in the top corner. There's a finger, which is 10,000. And then there's 2 poppies, which are 1,000 apiece. A swirl, which is 100. And then an upside down U, which is 10. So that translates as 12,210. Or 12,110, sorry. So Betsan now, what are you going? The first one is 2,200, so you were drawing a... Poppy. Are you only drawing one poppy?
No, you gotta draw like a...
You gotta draw 2 of them?
Yeah, 2.
Because it's 2,000, so 2 poppies. So you got the 2,000, so you need 200 now. What symbols do you need for 200?
The 100 one, which is a...
The swirl. And only one or...
2.
2, and there we go. So we show them now. So what Betsan has done is she drawn a poppy there, swirl, swirl, 2,200. Easy. And you just go down all to the bottom, and the bottom one is 3 million. So good luck working that one out. But that's everything.
Can we do the this one?
The next one down? Yeah. So 10,000, go to the first page and figure out what 10,000 is then.
10,000 is a finger.
So you got a finger that you need to draw, and then one finger, and then we got 10,200. So we need 200. What are 200?
Well,
and then 10.
10 and upside down U.
So Betsan literally did a finger, a swirl, and a U, and that is 10,210. Easy peasy pie. Yeah. So what we're going to be doing now is we are going to be leaving that alone because you have done a fantastic job at doing Egyptian mathematics. But you guys at home, give this a go. Remember, you can download the template from Cyfarthfa.com under the downloadable content tab. Give it a try, let us know how you get off. Get that out of it. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoy. Hwyl fawr.
Hwyl fawr!
Bye bye.